Introducing the 2024 Kia NIRO 1.5 HEV K3 5-door automatic. With only 27,859 kilometres and a sleek grey exterior, this vehicle is sure to turn heads. Packed with features like satellite navigation, cruise control and lane departure warning, this car offers both style and safety. Plus, with cup holders and luxury trim for added comfort, you'll never want to leave the driver's seat. And don't forget about the anti-collision system, emergency call and smart card entry for peace of mind on the road. This vehicle undergoes a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Call us or visit blackwatermotors.ie for more information today.